Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Python, that is Python version 3.12 on your Windows operating system. And after that I am also going to show you how you can easily write a simple hello world program on Python and how to run that on our Python IDLE. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, please put a comment in your comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. So let's start our video. Now to install Python, you need to first simply go to favorite browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply search with Python download and hit enter, and this will show you this download python.org. So just simply open that link and it's going to redirect to the official site of Python. And here you can see we are currently in official site of Python. So this link, this python.org/downloads, I'm going to put right in our description. So using that link also you can directly land over to the official site of Python. And here you can see that our latest version of Python is Python version 3.12.0. So you need to just simply click on this link to download the latest version of Python. And it will going to automatically download your Python. So if it's still not downloading, if it's redirecting it to this page, then you need to just simply scroll down, and from here you can see that we have this Windows installer version 64-bit is available. So I'm going to install it in a 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to select this, and when you click on that, it's going to download it locally on your system. Okay. So once it gets downloaded, so here you can see it is currently downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'll just simply cancel it. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory, and here you can see we already have Python 3.12 downloaded locally on my system. So to install, just simply double click on the installer, and it's going to open this install Python 3.12.0 on your Windows operating system. So this is our installation wizard of Python. So you can see install Python 3.12.0. So here what you need to do is you need to check this add python.exe to path. This is a very important step. So once you check that, it's going to automatically set our environment path on our environment variables. So that's a very important step. I highly recommend you to select this, and then you need to click on this custom installation. So once you click on that, it's going to show you these optional features. So you need to keep this default and click on next. And here under advanced option, you need to select this install Python 3.12 for all users. So whoever is using this system will be able to use the same Python exe. Okay, so for that we are selecting this. As soon as we select, you can see that our path is properly set over here. So just simply click on install, and it's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and there you go. You can see our installation has rightly begun. So you can minimize your download directory now, and I'll be wait for a couple of minutes, and after that I'm going to come back to this video. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our setup was successful. So you can just simply close this, and now that you know that our Python is successfully installed, so let's open our command prompt. So just simply go to search and just simply type over here cmd. It will show you this command prompt. So click on that command prompt, and if you just simply type over here Python and hit enter, you can see that our latest version of Python, which is Python version 3.12.0, is rightly installed, and that is clearly shown over here. So if you see this similar type of message, then all that basically means is your Python is successfully installed on your system. So here also you can do the same thing, like if you just simply type print hello world and hit enter, you can see that output hello world rightly shown. So similar to this, I'll show you idle. So just simply again search over here idle, and you can see that it is showing this idle. So this Python 3.12, you need to click on that, and it will open our Python idle shell version 3.12.0. So here you need to just simply type print then hello world and hit enter. It's going to show you that same output hello world on our Python shell as well. So this is similar to whatever you are getting on our command prompt. So now I'll show you how we can easily create a new file and write some program. So open a new file, and let's assign a couple of values like a equal to 8 and b equal to 6, and I'm going to print the summation of these two numbers. so that is a plus b. So 8 plus 6, 14 it's going to show you. So click on run module. Let's save our file first. So I'm going to save this file as sum, and I'm going to give that extension as .py and click on save. Click on yes, click on save again. So now after the file gets saved, it's going to show you that output, that is 8 plus 6, 14 on our idle console. So that is the number that we are doing. 8 plus 6 is rightly shown over here. So let's say you want to subtract this 8 minus 6. Again, go to run, click on run module, click on save, OK. So once it get again builded successfully, it's going to show you that same output, 8 minus 6, this time a minus b, that is what we are doing. The output is 2 is rightly shown, right? So in this way you can easily install latest version of Python on Windows operating system, and after that I have also shown you how you can easily run and create a simple Hello World Python program on our Windows operating system. So that's basically all about this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you face any issues, please put a comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.